Hey everyone! Today, we are going to explore animations with Blend Tree in Unity. Blend Tree is an amazing feature that allows us to create smooth and natural transitions between animations based on different parameters. You can download many animations that are essential for your game, such as walking, idle, and more. The platform provides a wide variety of animations to suit different character movements, making it easier to bring your game to life. We need to create an animator to manage and control our animations. Unlike regular animations, Blend Tree automatically creates new animations by blending existing ones together. We create the flow type parameters. Make sure to carefully watch all the steps in the video and try to understand them. Enjoy watching.